Welcome to Homework Lib.
The height of the tide in a small beach town is measured along a seawall. On a particular day, the height of the water since 6 a.m. is modeled by the equation h of t, where h of t represents the height of the water in feet and t is the number of hours passed since 6 a.m. Determine the first two times when the water was at the height of 9 feet. So we would substitute 9 for h of t to help find our first solution. Subtract 8.5 to both sides. Divide 3.5 to both sides. 0.5 divided by 3.5 is 1/7. That would make sense. Then we would take the inverse sine to both sides. The inverse sine of 1/7 is about 0.143. And then we would multiply both sides by 6 over pi. And then we would add 3 to both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that exact. So we would multiply this by 6 over pi. And then we would add 3 to it to get 3.27. We could confirm our solution graphically. Let's check. 3.5 sine of pi over 6 times t minus 3 plus 8.5. And if y is equal to 9, the first time that happens is 3.274. The second time happens at 8.726. Because I wanted to know the first two times. And so you could figure that out with symmetry. We know the period is 12. And then this midline at 6, the difference between 6 and 3.27 is going to be the same on the other side. 6 plus the difference between 6 and 3.27 is 2.73, so then we would add 2.73 to 6, which is the 8.73. I'll go ahead and write it to 2 decimal places. Now, in terms of times, 3.27 hours would be 2/7 of an hour would be like in minutes would be 16 minutes, would be like almost like saying 9:16 a.m. would be the 3 hours since 6 a.m. and then 8 hours since 6 a.m. 8.73 hours. 0.73 of 60 minutes is about 44 Um, and 8 hours since 6 is 14, which would be 2:44 p.m. roughly. Be more clear here. Yeah, I'm all right with that.